This is the unboxing of the Poppits PopGel Brilliant White Spearmint Toothpaste. So the reason why I even bought this is because I was using Hey Humans toothpaste, which comes in a metal tube, and the reason why I bought this toothpaste is because it comes in a aluminum metal tube, which is actually recyclable, so just kind of less waste. But turns out that Hey Humans has stopped making this, or at least I can't find it available for sale anywhere. And it was actually fairly short-lived. I think they probably only produced it for a year, and it's been available for sale for maybe 2 years or less than that. So I'm pretty bummed about it. I liked it. It was great. I didn't get any cavities. But it's really hard to find a toothpaste that does not come in a plastic tube, and it actually has fluoride. With that said, I'm pretty excited since this is basically the only one that I could find online that met that criteria, and I'm ready to unbox. Yay, it's arrived. Pop it open. Oh yeah, we're all excited here. Nothing important there. Please recycle biodegradable box. It's cardboard. Water-based ink. That's cool. Sustainable Forestry Initiative. At least they're taking the initiative there. And 35% recycled content. Let's unbox. What does it say? Pop it open. Thank you for choosing PopGel. You're welcome. Puncture the safety seal using the cap tip. I will do. PopGel.com. What? Oh, she's having such a great time with this PopGel toothpaste. Okay. Alright, I guess they need the box to protect it, but it seems, at least all of this stuff is recyclable, but it does seem like excess packaging here. All the fantastic without any of the plastic. That sounds good. PopGel. Perfect blend. Okay. Vegan, natural mint. Dentist created. Well, I'm glad a dentist made this. No preservatives, no plastic. Booyah. Made in the USA. Hey, how about that? 100% plastic free. Brilliant Whitening anti-cavity toothpaste. Fights cavities. Cucumber spearmint. Okay, I didn't realize there was cucumber in here, but fortunately, I'm down. Active ingredient, sodium fluoride. That's what I'm looking for. Helps protect against cavities. Do not swallow. Oh, you're only supposed to use a pea-sized amount. Oh, in children under 6. Inactive ingredients. Glycerin, water, hydrated silica. Interesting. Okay, unboxing. There's a box inside of the box. Boxing again. Okay. Yeah, this indeed seems like a metal tube. Does not seem like plastic, and looks like I'm gonna have to. Whoa, this is a very legit lid. Oh, that's cool. It's like this is a metal lid. This is the first time I've ever seen a toothpaste tube with also a metal lid. So this is recyclable too. That's pretty freaking awesome. And then, I presume you use the little puncture, the pointy end, which you can't see. There's a pointy end in here, and I'm just gonna pop that when I'm ready to brush my teeth. That is crazy. Listen to that. Cool. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to try it for 6 months till my next dentist appointment and see if I get any cavities. And then I'll give it a review.
Pop it.
Pop it? You want me to pop it? Okay, I'm going to pop it. I think I just do that. Whoa, that's cool. It is popped. Oh, I want to brush my teeth right now. Alright, I'm going to go brush my teeth. Well, actually, I figured while I'm here, I might as well show you what it looks like. Here, there's a white background there. Whoa. It's like, that's a little bit too much toothpaste there, but hey, you get the point. Look at that. Oh. Shiny.
Taste it.
Taste it? Okay. I'm tasting the toothpaste right now. Yeah, definitely minty. A little bit of cucumber in there. I like it. I think it'll do. But I need some water. Yeah, have fun with this thing.